The 2011 PSP Southampton Boat Show opened its doors to welcome over 120,000 visitors to enjoy its boats, interactive events and hospitality. The 1st Battalion of the Coldstream Guards Corps of Drums marched through the show. Michelin-starred chef Shaun Rankin travelled from Jersey to open the show.
It's really great here to be at the PSP Southampton Boat Show today. The crowds are in their thousands, the sun's out, it looks like a fantastic day. The guards were fantastic. It's the first time I've ever seen a procession like that.
Living on an island himself, Shaun is a keen boater.
Every time I end up at a boat show, I always end up earmarking one specific boat, and I'm trying not to go down there because I'll probably get tempted into buying one.
Shaun will be appearing in the show at the Sea Kitchen Theatre, demonstrating some of his recipes for visitors, celebrating a taste of the sea.
We've got a whole load of produce over from the Channel Islands, some great lobster, crabs, scallops, a lot of shellfish and especially oysters. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook one dish, and we're going to invite 4 people up from the audience to sample the dish that I cook. But we're also, for the lucky audience, seats about 50. We're going to give a little bit of a sample of some local seafood as well, so they all get a bit of a try. And for me, that's fantastic.